Hello everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Regular puzzle, Sudoku Medium in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 20th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. The first one is binary, just solve this one. Sudoku Medium and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. But first we will solve the second puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve. But first, this Sudoku Medium number 4434. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And when you compare this one with 28 printed digits with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. So, and for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this one should be faster than 40 minutes, I think, because we have 28 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then 9, okay. 1. Come on. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. And then 7. 2. I'm scanning. 6, 7. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 3, 2, 1. I'm thinking. 9. And then 8. Yeah. 4. Yeah. We in this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. Yes. Yeah. 7. Let me think. 7, 4. Ah, 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, overlooked. So in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We see a 7 in this second row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. All right. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the same numbers. In the third column, the 2 and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. 4, 3, 4, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 5. This is a 2, okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. The 4 goes there, and the 6 goes here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for number. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, then 6 in this column, 6 in that third column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Then 1 1 2 3 5. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Okay, now we have, wait, 1 and a 5, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 9. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Then 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. The 1 and the 5 are marked. Okay, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you faster than 15 minutes I need. Maybe 40 minutes, because we have 1 digit more than the regular, than the 1-star Sudoku in the additional. So I'm very pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 or 9 weeks. And here we have the 254, the 254, the 643, the 643, and the 319, 319. Here we have the 3 as a pair, the 4 as a pair. Here, 2 pairs. All right. Great medium Sudoku. And I like this one, yes. Thank you for watching again. And I will see you later with the killer Sudoku, yeah. AKA Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye-bye for now.